Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no. I blow away all the pressure.
Hello guys, good morning. You're welcome back to my channel. My name is Timile Ario, and if this is your first time of tuning on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. I am so excited today because I am going out to meet some of my friends. I've actually not seen them in a while since the pandemic started. I've just been on the phone, video calls and all, and I'm also excited that I am getting to shoot a vlog on this channel. I've never really done a vlog of my personal life or my personal day. I just show you guys random stuff. So we are actually going to the beach, nothing special. We're trying to do our own dirty December because I mean, the lockdown was caused a lot of things. Right now, by the time last year, in Lagos, there were so many activities, so many concerts, so many movies. But right now, I don't think I've seen any concert. If there's any concert, probably a private one. So we're trying to celebrate ourselves in a very intimate, beach and celebrate God for what God has done this year. The fact that we're even alive to see December. I mean, so many things happen, so many plans. Yeah, of course, so we are starting bringing you guys along. So I'm just going to go freshen up and change. Okay, guys, so I'm ready now, and so I'm just about to go take a cab to meet them at the beach. Yes, and I got my art here. I hope this art sizing because I need to borrow it. I'll see you guys when we get to the beach.
Oh, it's so good to be free, yeah. No slave to society, no. I realize that to fit in is quitting on the one and only me. Oh, I'm freest as me. I don't need the look or the trend. I'll be the least cool of my friends. You can have all that. I won't please the pack, 'cause I'm free to be whatever I choose to be. Oh, it's so good to be free. Letting life roll with such ease, yeah. What used to cause me to stress out, I'm less now. 'Cause that stuff don't own me. Oh, I'm finally free.
Hey guys, so we're just leaving Landmark now and we're finally heading to the beach. So guys, we'll see you guys when we get to the beach.
I know what you can do, change the world, I know it's true. Oh, oh. In your eyes, a million skies, painted pink and blue and white. Oh, oh. So don't stop now, you're getting so close, and don't stop now, you're further than most. Yeah, hear me out, I think you should know that. You should know that you got that glow. Can't stop that slow rise, yeah. You got that glow. Can't stop that slow rise, yeah. And know when life gets hard, I'll pick you up when you fall apart. Oh, oh. If they curse your
I
name,
just
spit in.
got home now. I just remembered I'm actually vlogging and I'm already taking off my wig. You know, perks of the fact that this is my first time vlogging. So I'm so tired, I'm so exhausted. Did I really have fun today? Maybe like 70 over 100. I didn't have like 100% fun because the beach was overcrowded, guys. Like it's as if everybody in Lagos trooped out at the same time. It was really, really crazy before we could get a space to sit, before we get a space to snap. It was really, really crazy. And so just kind of like trying to kill our vibe, but we kind of like had fun. So guys, I'm going to end the vlog now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Yes, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you want me to do more vlogs like this? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.